Will you just watch and then you can try the other questions. So question 22. I know. Minus 1 over 2. Right, so the first thing you do is change 3 into a fraction. 3 over 1. I change x into a fraction. X over 1. And now it's the same as any other sum. The LCM of 10, 1, 1 and 2 is 10. So 10 into 10 goes once. And plus sign. 1 into 10 goes 10 times 3. The equals is there. 1 into 10 goes 10 times x. Plus 2 into 10 goes 5 times x minus 1. And now you don't have to worry about the bottom line at all. So because you're trying to find out what x is. So 1 times everything inside these brackets. 11x plus 1. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times x, 10x, 5 times x, plus 5x, 5 times minus 1, minus 5. Now remove the x's, 10x and 5x, we'll move them to the left. Minus 10x, minus 5x, and we'll move the 1 and the minus 30 over to the right. So it's minus 1 minus 30. Add up what you can here. So minus 15 plus 11 minus 4x, and over here you have minus 36x. 36. If I change the sign, make x positive, change the sign, and divide both sides by the number in front of the x, which is 4. 4 and 4 goes once. 4 nines are 36. Right, that's question 22 and question 26. One over 6x minus 2 over 5 x plus 1. Alright, so what do I do with the 1 is on top? Well, I change x into a fraction really, that's what I'm doing. X is x over 1. So x is above the line really, and there's a 1 below the line. So 1 times x, so basically 6 is below the line. And here 5 is below the line, everything else is above. Over here 2 is below the line. So here we've got 1x. Right, so we look for the LCM. 6, 5 and 2. Go up in multiples of 6.
30.
Will 12 work? Yeah, 30. 30 will do. So go up in multiples of 6. 4, 6, 24 won't work. 30 will work. 6 into 30 goes 5 times, and write down the x. Bring down the minus. 5 into 30 goes 6 times. 6 times all of this. 6 times 2 times x plus 1. 2 into 30 goes 15 times. 5 times all of this. X minus 10. Now 5 times x. We don't need the bottom line now, because we're solving for x. Right, so that becomes 5x minus 12 times x plus 1, and 5 times 15, 30, 60, 75. So that's minus 12x, minus 12 times plus 1, minus 12, 75x and minus 750. And x is to the left. So bring this x across. Minus 75x. Over here you got minus 750. And bring the... Sorry, I forgot about the 5x there. Bring the minus 12 across. And it becomes plus 12. Add up what you have there. Minus 75 and minus 12 is minus 87. Plus 5. Minus 82. And minus 750 plus 12. Minus 738. Make this positive. Change the sign. Change the sign. Divide both sides by 82. So 82 divided by 82 gives you 1. And divide that by 82 and you get 9. X is equal to 9.